Hi, I'm Grace from PIY, also known as Pizza It Yourself, and I'm here with Lauren. And today we're going to make a cheese pizza. We're also going to add pepperoni mushroom. You ready?
Yeah.
Do you like making pizza?
Yeah.
Do you like buying pizza or making pizza? Which
making
one?
pizza.
Yeah, it's more fun, right? All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spread some oil.
Yeah.
What are we going to do with that oil, Lauren?
Put this on.
Okay, let's try that. All right, we're gonna put the pizza down in the oil. And what do we do next, Lauren?
This.
Yeah, but is it sticky?
No.
Yeah, it's a little sticky, which is why we use the what?
This.
What is this?
Flour.
Yeah, very good. All right, let's sprinkle it up. Oh, you do it then. And we even it all out.
Do it.
Mm-hmm. Is it sticky now?
No.
No, it's not sticky anymore. Okay, you're doing a great job. And remember, we start from the top and we press down. We go from 12 down to 6. Right, all the way around the pizza. And we lift it up.
And then we do this.
Whoa, we're gonna turn it first.
Mm-hmm.
And we keep it in a nice round shape. Otherwise, what happens, Lauren?
It'll get ruined.
Yeah, we don't want a square pizza, do we?
No.
Do we want it to be round?
No.
What? Round?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's.
Oh, you're great with the flour. I think that's going to be it with the flour for a little while here. We're going to stretch it out. 12 down to 6. 12 down to 6.
And then.
All right. I'm going to turn it again. Pick it up.
Yep.
Turn it. And I'm going to stay away from the edges. I want to stay away from the edges because,
It will fall.
well, we don't want to flatten out a nice crust. We want the crust to be nice and thick. Right, Lauren?
Yeah.
So I'm going to lift it up. But before I do, I'm going to put one last dash of
Flour.
Good job, Lauren. Okay, ready? I'm going to put my hand down. Boom. It's going to go up. And we're going to stretch it in the air. You betcha, but you have to be on the edges. Are you going to try and toss it? Hard to do when you're sitting down. All right, that's where Mom comes in, and we just turn it 4 times. 1, 2,
Can I do that?
3.
Can I do
Yep.
that? Can I count?
3, and one more time, Lauren.
2.
Oh, blast off. Okay, then we're gonna go around the edges. We're gonna go around the edges, edges. Okay, good stuff. Now, when it gets away from us a little bit, we can always just rest it on our arm like this. Of course, it's gonna go a little bit on my sleeve. And then I'm gonna wipe this up real quick because I'm gonna put down the peel. Ooh. Okay, and we're gonna put the peel down.
Right.
Down here, and we're gonna put the dough, but the dough, which way is it gonna go down? It's gonna go flour side down because we don't want it to be so sticky on the bottom. We want the oil to be on top with our toppings. And here's the trick that I wanted to show you, Lauren. Let's see. I'm gonna pick it up and go. Wow.
Can I
See
do
that?
that?
Yep. Ah! Ready? Try again. Woo. Not quite as strong as Mama's. Okay, and if it doesn't quite reach the edges, I like to make a nice, almost 15-inch pie. If it doesn't quite reach the edges, then I would just pick it up, give it another go. But it does in my case, so I'm not going to stretch it anymore. If I overstretch it, I can always just reposition it and let it come back together. It always sort of comes back into shape wherever you place it. All right, so what are we going to do next, Lauren?
We're going to put some sauce.
All right, how do we do that?
We mix it around.
With?
This.
Yeah, this is called the ladle.
Yep.
All
We're going to
right.
mix it around like soup.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the middle, Lauren.
Let's
And
do
get
it.
it all out because we want every little ounce in there.
Yeah, we're going to mix it.
Remember, we start in the middle and do little circles. I'll help you. All the way out. Whoop! But we want to do big circles that are even so that we get the same amount
Can
of
I
sauce.
do that by myself?
Yep, but I'm going to help you around the last edge here, okay? because I don't want it going off the edge. Oops, if it goes off the edge, we gotta clean it up with our fingers, which is always a yummy way to do it. Okay, see right here, Lauren? Gotta clean it up.
The fingers.
And clean it up. Clean it up. Otherwise it
Will be ruined.
it'll be ruined. And now we're gonna add the cheese. All right, Connor, do you want to do a fireball for the pepperoni?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add the mushrooms. Do you want to add the mushrooms, Lauren?
Yeah.
Okay, show us how you're gonna do it with your energy ball. We made the pizza, it baked in 7 minutes, and now we're ready to cut it up. Right? All right. Gonna get in here. The dinosaur wants some. Is the dinosaur hungry, Connor?
He wants to eat all of it. You too. You too.
Okay, I bet you guys
Dinosaur.
want to dig right in.
I am.
All right, do you want a slice? I'm eating this one. Which one do you want?
This one.
Mmm.
Oh, it's so hot. So, so, so.